Acer Nitro V Gaming Laptop. The Nitro V has a typical gaming laptop aesthetic with its sharp lines, black and red color scheme, and angular design. The Acer Nitro V offers several display options, ranging from Full HD 1920x1080 to Quad HD 2560x1440, with refresh rates up to 144 Hz or even 165 Hz in some configurations. Common configurations include Intel Core i5/i7 or AMD Ryzen 5 7th processors paired with NVIDIA GTX or RTX GPUs, ranging from GTX 2050 to RTX 4060. The laptop offers a decent selection of ports, including multiple USB 3.2 ports, a USB-C port, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and an audio jack. Comes with 16 GB of DDR5 memory, expandable up to 32 GB for seamless multitasking. Most models come with at least a 256 GB or 512 GB SSD, with options for 1 TB SSD configurations. The laptop includes room for an additional 2.5-inch HDD/SSD. Expect around 4 to 5 hours of battery life for basic tasks like web browsing or watching videos, but this will drop significantly when gaming, often to around 2 hours or less. Rated 4.4 stars. Order today for €1,676.59. Link in the description.